a Joma may Gina should ye Chief Justice any. Munina mu read be. So petition number 1, the original one, the crummy, where you copy text near the Gua near so near the Chemo. Have you ready? Was it the petitioners known as Shining Stars of Ghana are praying President Mahama to sack Chief Justice, Justice Tokonu, because she requested President Anado to promote 5 judges to the Supreme Court in May 2024. The Shining Stars of Ghana argued that her proposal to promote the judges was in breach of Article 144 of the 1992 Constitution. They make particular reference to Article 1442, which states that Supreme Court justices shall be appointed by the President, acting on the advice of the Judicial Council, in consultation with the Council of State and with the approval of Parliament. Enti almost Justice Tokonu petitioner number 1 go be ade o se Justice Tokonu aye and enti yenyi na di emfiri one say was all recommend say yen promote some 5 justices be. But first of all, if your recommendation it is against the law, dear Parliament Article 1442, you read Article 1442 or say Supreme Court justices shall be appointed by President, acting on the advice of the Judicial Council, in consultation with Council of State. Not just that, and with approval of Parliament. So Ampani Ampa say, Kufuado, and I say Justice Tokonu, won't follow this process. I don't know Parliament approve. More fire. It will Parliament approve it. Adi original society from Pamono. Or see the petitioners claim that by writing to the President in her personal capacity as the Chief Justice, she had met the grounds for stated misbehavior, an offense that merited the removal from office, since no part of the process to appoint the justices of the Supreme Court admitted of her personal recommendation. Now the Omo Chirene say, and yes, I didn't see you. Nemo Churo Krata and Ko Kekeno. Tinie. Yenyina Sonia from Pamono. Petitioner number 1. When a Jomama say stated misbehavior. So on grounds I bet him the Chief Justice said. Oko Supreme Court, Constitution. The Constitution makes it clear, so for the independence of a year, the judiciary, it wouldn't mean a year judge BID, unless it said one merited certain things. You be ready. Now go be almost say or a troll letter come my Kufuado. When you know the Chief Justice said, wait. Where the Kufuado, your mama so original to the unity. Now young reading Yanko or say Shining Stars Feather. Averred that on 15th October 2024, Her Ladyship Justice Tokonu presided over a panel to determine the constitutionality of an action by the Speaker of Parliament, the Right Honorable Aman Sumani Baben, without hearing him in court.
More fire. More fire.
Was it Yama Speaker? Petitioner, Shining Star, and a Shining Star it was actually Nidi at the year Kingsley Ajay. Kingsley Ajay, when this in Papa. Kingsley Ajay, when this in Nima Papa. Kingsley Ajay, and this in Nima Papa. Kingsley Ajay. It was a Yama Right Honorable Speaker, Ama Court. Ama Mekambi, Ameka, a Yinibi. Was it the petitioner's claim? The petitioner's claim, okay, that is ex parte motion. You can't ex parte. I go be court no. And Mrana ma court to kwano. You free be ex parte motion. Say me ko Afrifa. Be say me be tiawa. Make me a court without your presence. Na ma ko akwaji aba be tiawo. It bo wa injunction. It bo a certain ruling. Why would the can say ex parte motion? Na ex parte motion you free man ba.
Fire.
O say no tie nyina so mfa nyina di. Now we was it they contend that Mrs. Araba Esaba Tokonu had ignored the Odi Atarim Patem rule of natural justice, which simply translated in English, let the other side be heard. Now, two cardinal principles of law when it comes to the fundamental human rights, all the Ateran patterns, and a normal Judas in Casaso. All the Ateran patterns say, there are some two obisua, yen cheni penimi, and you say, sa case of constitutional interpretation, na a speaker some near the court, a constitutional interpretation, which the courts have been given at Article 2:1, the right and power, 2:1 and 130. See the action bar, only Supreme Court know what to me, so what you interpretation. What's the yen a abans money baby? Now nobody abans money by the baby court. Where you own your mama's who in Nassau. Petition in you. Shining Stars petition and your mama say, what refers here for you just said in India? Sija quachirem wabra one for abans money kwa biametraho. It yen ready. Or see the petition is signed
Ghana for Muamoya. Hey, we nyansa. We ya John Dramani Mahama. As you would just say, Chief Justice Edino. Ghana for Muamoya nyansa wom. And a man in Yamwa would the car Canada. As oba obey you muddy. It's and no one John Dramani Mahama or yeno. Ghana for what the answer met to us on channel the voice of NSawamtv. Message was saying, no first time I will hear me videos. No subscribe to my YouTube channel either. Amame. We are no one like it, no one share, no one say comment. Na bell be about one say me aso. Sebe ya anytime be me new videos betum biano. On sa so bit my head. I can be. Ghana for dear John Dramani Mahama ko fa aba no. Na se Ghana for ya hwe ni ya man obe bom man ya ansa no head. Wako. Modam me enkoso me yentie ye tie wie be di ho nkomo. Why mo me yentie wie.
Also, the petition is signed by Chairman and Convener of Shining Stars of Ghana, Kingsley Ajay, and was written on the 14th of February 2020. When you need CJ, more fire. When you need CJ, you where you go? When you need CJ, it's President Yasu. I go for your mama show. We at the Akoma Council of State. At the Akoma Council of State. So, Omunshim, no more advice. More advice. More fire. After young concoction petition number 2. The entry you be CJ. Petition number 2. Let them know. Let them know. Your mama no baby channel. I'm saying baby Hano. And I be force. Really? Petition number 2. Allah wallahi. Your mama baby Hano. Allah when we jina so ya mfra bamba bi amba etia grounds for removal boy what the chief justice said chief justice tro krata akoma akufuado say ye mo eye justice bi abaso etia no so impromote omo eno kwa nyese akufuado ye yo there is no evidence akufuado ye the constitution is clear on the procedure in which and our members of parliament or man raise any concern. No about them. Petition number 2. Every ACP Ayamga Akolgo. Now ready we have a say. I say also ACP Ayamga. Have you ready we? ACP ni assistant commissioner of police. We police ni no say lawyer ni. Ai we ni mobra. An watchro. Eti Yohani, the wajina so. Yohani yamemu, Yohani sempa. Etrem yenu tichemudu. Osina ACP Ayamga Akolgo. What the petition by? Ni ready petition. Was assistant commissioner of police. Ayamga Yakubu Akolgo, who is also a lawyer and a chartered accountant. Once the Chief Justice suspended immediately for doctrine evidence, abusing her office, and being discourteous and aggressive towards him in court. More fire. Chief Justice Nemuno, or no, I am Gano. Chief Justice Nedinatem, and the Chief Justice are doctor a year records of the court. Now, the entry workers were doctor records of the court. Was it COP, ACP Ayamga, averse that he appeared before the Supreme Court on November 14, 2023, in a case instituted. That is the Republic versus High Court. Secondly, ex parte, also ex parte, Ayamga Yakubu Akologo. The police officer claims that the Chief Justice was or say the unruly to him. You guys are unruly as well, Muno. Or no, I am going to say Chief Justice in Muno. Asking him to stop shouting in the court. Or say Chief Justice Kachans during his submissions and without provocation caused his arrest and detention for about 2 hours on the grounds that he was rude and exhibited conduct that was unbecoming of a lawyer.
More fire. More fire.
Now, the entire Yeninaso, from Pamu Chief Justice, and they said, Mr. Ayamga stated in his petition that the Chief Justice order to arrest and detain him amounted to 1, abuse of prestige judicial office, breach of due process of law, rush of anger, and intended to ridicule and publicly embarrass him as a lawyer.
More fire.
Eti ono Ayamga Chief Justice Tiatiano, Chief Justice Catches one yai so shouting. Eti a abuse of the fundamental right.
We nyanza wo.
33.
Mami hu ma dwen what?
Yeah, abuse of fundamental right as a person. You can go through Article 33 and seek redress. You can sue the Chief Justice. You don't sue the Chief Justice because wabayaba. Your mama will be court where your lawyer Chief Justice Tiatiano. Eti yenyina so mfanyi Chief Justice. When I your mama so ojina so. Well, Kobi. When I your mama so ojina so the Chief Justice said. Because I am gas a lawyer ni or court. Am I Chief Justice Tiatiano, Epamono, Emiacheno. So it is abuse of one fundamental human right. And meanwhile, he won't go on Article 33. What does Article 33 says? It says that if anybody your fundamental right is abused, whether a lawyer, whether you should come to court and come and seek for redress. Or someone seeking for redress. When your mama saw the Koyen. Now, for you say, curiously, he claims that when he requested for the record of proceedings from the Supreme Court, he was shocked to see that it contained no reference of his arrest or the disparaging remarks the Chief Justice is alleged to have made on record. That to him constitute tampering with evidence and abuse of privilege office.
Hey. Bro, president.
Wait, Chief Justice. Wait. Second petition, I know. Was he abusing the fundamental right? One go court. Do you know? And your mama did you know Chief Justice in it? About we are madam. Obi, I'm telling you, about madam. No, I'm telling you. About madam. Na me shut time, me share a year. You can't say. Sofa Yakufu, former Chief Justice. Me share former Attorney General. A year, you can't say. Betimodi Drusu. Na ma share a year or more. I didn't run it. Mom was a committee. So says, how do you make the Chief Justice? Well, when was who Jinaso? ACP Ayamga, Akologo. When was Jinaso? When watch the petition. Where the petition? More fire. Yanko na yanshadie. Nani yanko third petition. Third one. And no free Daniel Foriho. There's a Munukwao. Some can't kwa. We near me 3 months in government where it said you'll be in a bachelor. It is 3 years. And some Funukwa. Now by a waba, who will be Papa you are. Every day scandal. When I could hear you. Well, for third one, a brand young kind of euphoria. So then the euphoria, a Ghanaian citizen, alleges 21 instances of misbehavior on the part of Chief Justice and 4 counts of incompetence, which must necessitate the removal of the Chief Justice. Now, was it Chief Justice among the instances of misbehavior are allegations that the Chief Justice allegedly used 261,890 Ghana cedi of public funds of her private foreign travel in 2023 with her husband and daughter who were not entitled to such benefit as it stands now. Whether ne kunu ne ba no sika we ya wo ka so mu die no so won for evidence bi am was this Chief Justice Yusui. They also spent $30,000 of the public funds as per diem on the trip.
Nyansa wom. Mommy whom I drink through. Yes or no?
The Joma Mejina so and the Pomu Chief Justice in it. Also, Mr. Ofori further alleges that in the same 2023, her ladyship misappropriated 75,580 Ghana cedi on another trip with her husband and to Arusha, Tanzania, where she also spent $14,000 of accountable interest, which she failed to account for. The petitioner claims that her ladyship Tokonu interfered with judicial proceedings by using operatives of the national security to seize court computers during the trial of Asen North MP, Jachikwesen by the state. Mr. Daniel Ofori accuses the Chief Justice of unauthorized way Ogobi. It is your mama and your Chief Justice. Acquire tribunal. We are petitioning.
Nyansa wom.
Chief Justice.
Ghana for where the moi monche madrin sinyansa mo amumi hu because John Dramani ma minim de ha no e me se wada na me ye sure say Council of State for no omunim nyansa omunya agimi for sa omunim nyansa ntino omunya sa agimi niema we so enka say yes yewra John Dramani ma de o ye ne ye Council of State for omunim nyansa yes omunim tu o man panyefo enti omunim nyansa omu report be ba bonte be chese omunim nyansa ana de me kan be boa Ghana for mama hu ma adwenkyere mesem say na ma share me videos na ide ama me why me pamacho it does